I'd like to introduce you to Avidemux or Avidemux, which is a free open source video editor. And so you don't get watermarks or videos with constant nags to buy the premium product. It is, because it's open source, it tends to have a slightly steeper learning curve than some. And it's free, which is the important thing. And as I said, it does have a small learning curve, but it's what you need for your YouTube and other sites video production. You can use it to finish those videos. Now this is what it looks like when it's opened. And the first things you need to do are to set up the three settings here. Sometimes this one is already set as it's set to MKV Muxer, but you need MP4 Muxer, so you have to change that. I use PCM for audio, or you could use AAC LAV, which is good, and this one here should be MPEG 4 AVC times 264. And once you've set that up, you can then load a video in. So you use File and Open, which allows you to select a video, and the menu items down the bottom here, you can use those to select sections to cut and remove or modify in this video editor. So you can move backwards and forwards to keyframes, to individual keyframes, to frames, and to cut points. And you can go forward and backward 1 minute in time too. And you can also find black frames, which would be to do with fading. And so you've got your start and end markers there to choose your section. A and B, they're set. You set A and then set B. Although it is possible to set B first and then A, to select the area you want. Okay, this is also what it looks like, and as I said before, you have to set those settings first before you can actually use the audio and video filters. There's a range of filters to use. I go into more detail of this one, MPlayer EQ2, and it allows you to just colour, and my demonstration is to show you how to reduce an overly blue image. But you need to experiment with the filters to find out what's going on. And the next two videos demonstrate how to use that filter, and also how to do something called datamoshing, which creates some really strange and weird effects. So, but it will enable you to produce tidy videos, and the filters can help creativity and also correction of errors.